Visit Aromacup.com, the world's leading single-serve coffee guide. Join our forums, talk with other coffee lovers, find coupons and reviews on great single-serve gourmet coffee machines, coffee capsules, and more great information, all available at Aromacup.com.
Hey everybody, this is Brian with Aromacup.com. Welcome to your virtual coffee shop, brought to you by Aromacup.com. Today, we're going to be your virtual tea shop, and we're going to show you how you can make a great chai tea using Tassimo T-Discs and the Bosch Tassimo T45 Suprema single-serve coffee machine. This guy is known as the BrewBot affectionately, and that's because it does all of the brewing for you using T-Discs. T-Discs are very cool. You're going to notice that I've got a Twinings chai tea T-Disc right here, and it's got this chai tea blend inside of it. It's vacuum sealed, so this is going to stay fresh. And it's got a barcode on the top here. The barcode is going to tell the T45 how much water it should put into this chai tea T-Disc. Now, I'm actually going to go ahead and make a chai tea latte. And I'm going to do that by making use of another great T-Disc, which are the Latte Milk Creamer T-Discs. Now, these guys do not need to be refrigerated, and all you need to do before you use them is shake them up a little bit. This comes as a kit, so there are enough T-Discs in here to make 8 drinks. So you get 8 of each of these T-Discs in one kit when you buy that kit, and so it makes it easy to make a whole bunch of drinks for friends and things like that. Each of these is going to make about 8 to 10 ounces worth of a drink. So you want to have a nice big drink because you can make up to about 16 ounces when you're making a chai tea latte like I'm going to make. So make sure that you've got a nice big cup, mug, glass, tumbler, whatever works for you, and put it into your T45. That's a problem. Actually, it's not a problem. Check it out. All I need to do in order to use a big tall glass is take out the drain from the bottom of my T45. Now I can put in a very large tumbler, which is great. So after I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and use my Twinings chai tea T-Disc, and I'm going to put this guy into the T45 first. Open it up, flip your T-Disc over, and pop it right into the T45. It's going to line up right here with the handle sticking out. Close that guy up, and you're going to puncture the seal on the chai tea. Now I'm ready to start brewing. I'm going to press the big silver button, and the barcode reader inside of the T45 is going to do its BrewBot job, and it's going to read that barcode, and it's going to figure out how much water it should put into this drink in order to make sure that it brews the correct amount of tea. And as the machine goes along, it's going to be putting pressure and water into that T-Disc. So you want to go ahead and let it finish its brew process. That's very important. But again, it moves very quickly, which is something that I really like about this machine, because usually to make almost any kind of a hot drink, there's a little more setup. You're going to find that you have to either take out loose tea, which is always tough, or you're going to have to take out tea bags, various things like that. And it can become a little tedious. You don't have to do that using T-Discs. So when the machine is done brewing, you're going to notice that there's some extra pressure coming out of it right now. And we want to let it finish brewing. And we're going to know it's done when this light stops blinking green. That chai tea smells real nice, actually. This is a really great chai blend. Twinings is definitely one of the most well-known tea makers. And so you're going to find that you have a lot of different blends that you can make use of when you're making teas using the T45 and T-Discs. So now that the machine is all done, we get this solid green light here, and I could just take this chai and get on the road and start drinking it, but I want to make a latte, as I say. So since the machine is done, I can pop it open, I can take out my spent T-Disc, get rid of that, and now comes the fun part. I'm going to make the latte half of my chai tea latte. Take your latte milk creamer, shake up that T-Disc a little bit, like I say, because everything inside of this can settle a little bit, flip it upside down, pop it into the brew basket. It looks a little big, but it's going to fit. Close this guy up, and anytime you're using one of the milk creamer discs, make sure you have a cup underneath it when you close it, because you notice I've already got some of the milk coming out from puncturing that seal. I'm all set to go now. I'm going to go ahead, press the silver button, and again, the T45 is going to read the barcode on that milk creamer T-Disc, and it's going to know that this is a milk creamer T-Disc, and it should brew a certain amount of water into the T-Disc. So while it does its job, I'll do my job, tell you guys about Aromacup.com. Make sure to join us on the site, create a free account, watch some other great videos from recipes on how to make a lot of other great drinks that you can make using machines like the T45. We will help to demystify single-serve coffee for you and show you how you can do all the great things and more that you're used to doing with your old school drip style coffee machine. So the machine is finishing up its brew process already. It's nice and quick. Cool thing about this is that I've got a specialty drink that I would usually pay a pretty penny at most coffee shops for, but I've got it at a fraction of the price in the comfort of my home, which is something that I really, really like about machines like the T45, and especially using T-Discs because of the number of different drinks that I can create with this one machine. So the machine is all done. I can wait for it to finish. I can put more hot water into this drink, but I don't really want to water this down. I want to have my chai tea latte. There you go. It's good to go. Cleanup is real easy. Wait for that green light to stop blinking, which it just did. Open it up and toss your spent T-Disc. You're ready to brew another cup for friends or anyone else, or in my case, I'm going to get on the road. I've got my cup. Enjoy your cup. I'm Brian with Aromacup.com. This is your virtual coffee shop. Join us on Aromacup.com, and we will see you next time. Enjoy your drink.